Hello viewers, welcome to the video tutorial on how to place bracket order and calculate margin requirements. So let's begin. Bracket order is a 3-leg order in which a buy order, a stop loss and a target order is placed. So first, let's see how to check the margin requirements for bracket order. First, visit www.samco.in, click on Products and sub-option Tools. Now, click on Margin Calculator and Span Calculator. Using this calculator, you can calculate margins for all segments. Now, click on bracket order and scroll down. Here you will see a calculator. So first, you have to select the desired segment from the list. So in this illustration, let's select equity. Then next, you will find the list of the stocks in which you can place bracket order. Select the desired stock. Now, enter the price at which you want to create a position, that is position entry price. Enter how many quantities you want to buy. Enter your expected stop loss price and then select whether you want to buy or sell and click on calculate. Here you will find total value of trade and margin required for the trade. So now let's see how to place bracket order. First, log into any of our trading platforms. In this illustration, we are using StockNote Web. First, select the script from your watch list or add script to your watch list. Click on the buy or sell as per your preference. Now select the product type as bracket order, that is BO. Order type limit, because you cannot place bracket order at a market price. Now enter quantity and price at which you want to buy. Keep validity day by default. Now you have to enter square of cell, which means the target price. Select LTP and absolute by default, and now you have to enter the difference. Example, if the target price is at 124.10 and your buying price is 122.10, which means the difference is rupees 2. Here you will see the price at which your target will be executed. Similarly, you have to place stop loss cell, which means stop loss order. Select LTP and absolute by default and enter the difference between your buying price and the desired stop loss price. You can confirm your stop loss price here. In bracket order, you can also place a trailing stop loss, in which whenever the price of the stock moves up by 1 rupees, your stop loss will automatically move up. But when it comes down, the stop loss will be fixed at the last price. For example, if you bought a stock at rupees 100 and you placed a stop loss at rupees 98, which is 2 rupees lower, but when the current market price will move up by rupees 1, that is to 101, your stop loss will move up by rupees 1, that is 99 rupees. But when the price fell from 101 to 100 rupees, your stop loss will freeze at 99 rupees. The trailing stop loss order is completely optional. Now, to preview your order, click on the preview order button to verify your order, and to place your order, click on place trade. Now to check your order, click on orders, and here you will see your pending orders. As you can see, there are 2 pending orders. First order is your target order and the second is your stop loss order. In case you want to square off your order at the current market price, you can do by clicking on exit. In case if your order is not executed before 3:14 p.m., the system will automatically square off your pending bracket orders. In case if you face any difficulty in placing bracket order, feel free to contact us on 022 5028 4x0. Thank you.